Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a web application without any knowledge. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, we need to install a software in our computer. It's called XMPP. Well, XMPP guys, it will help us to test and run web applications locally. So first go to google.com and in the search bar write download XMPP and then click the first website and here choose the last version. So this is the last version and click download. Wait a moment. If your download not start automatically, you can click here. And as you can see here, now wait until finish downloading XMPP. After downloading, click on it, click yes, then click next, next, click next, next. Now guys, wait until finish installing this software. Then click finish. Perfect. Then click Start in Apache and Start in MySQL. Well, this is the first step. The second step, click Explorer and go to htdocs folder. Now be careful here. Now guys, if you put any files in this folder, it will appear automatically in this link 127.0.0.1. Now as you can see here, if you put any PHP file in this folder, it will show it here automatically. Now what's happen if we delete all this file and refresh the page? You will not see anything here. Why? Because we remove files here. That will help us guys to easy customize and edit our web applications files. Okay, well now guys, we will make some changes into settings file. So click here and click options and go to view, and as you can see here, make sure to uncheck this checkbox. Okay, then click apply. Perfect. Now next step guys, we will go into ChatGPT and now click start now and click style logout. Okay, so here guys, we will use ChatGPT to generate a script for our web application. So you can ask ChatGPT to generate any files you want. Okay, for example, let's create a script that, for example, count calories by age and height. Okay, for example, now guys, I will ask ChatGPT to give me the script. Give me script web application that's example count calories by ages and height, for example, and don't forget to write PHP. Okay, and as you can see here, ChatGPT will give you a script. Now guys, you can easily ask ChatGPT to create any type of web application. Okay, now guys, what we're going to do now is to create these files. As you can see, we have here index.php and this is the code of this file. And next, come back to htdocs and create this script. Okay, now create a new text document and remove everything and write index.php. Okay, perfect. And then edit this file with notepad and then come back to ChatGPT and copy the code here and paste it here. Okay, then click save. Perfect. Now come back to here and refresh the page, and this is our script. Now we can easily calculate calories by age and height. Okay, so let's try. For example, gender. Perfect. Now as you can see here, the script it's work perfectly. Now this is the first version of the script. Then I will ask ChatGPT to enhance the style, okay? Because I see style it's not a good. So now I will come back to ChatGPT and I will ask it enhance script or enhance style of script. Now wait until finish. Perfect. Now update the script, copy code, come back the code, remove this and save it. Okay, now come back to here and refresh, and as you can see here, that's it guys. So let's try example. And it's work perfectly. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.